Hey everyone, this thing is sweet. I've used it just a little bit now, and what a freaking difference it makes. I actually can't get over it, to be honest with you. I'm gonna try and show you here. I don't know how well this is gonna work, but let's see what I can do. Yeah, that's not very good. Yeah, you won't be able to see the teeth very well, but just glides through there. New file helps too. Oh man, that's impressive. I didn't realize how bad my top plate of my teeth were until I did this. So maybe I didn't know what I was doing. Oh, that's insane. God, that makes a nice tooth. And it's got the little raker gauge too, gives you the gauge for softwood and hardwood. Well, this thing is impressive. Sometimes you gotta must be a blemish on that chain or something. It doesn't want to go on there. There we go. Oh, that's so good. I'm not going to show you guys the whole works, but yeah, just so you can see. So impressive. I'll probably go cut with it after I'm done and see how well it does work. I'll do all the rakers too. Freaking chain brake doesn't work. I've used a lot of sharpening tools, and this one, as simple as it is the best one I've used so far. Man, that's nice. Thanks for watching.